Okay, so welcome back to a brand new tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to be going over Horizon again. Some people are having issues with Horizon not creating folders. Horizon's not creating folders because you either aren't injecting anything for the folders to be created, or you're not creating the proper folders. So, I'm going to inject the Rocket Knight. You don't have to inject this exact same thing. Like, just inject whatever you're injecting. But we're going to go to our storage device here, and we're going to format it. Formatting is important. NTFS is what you need to set it as. Just do a quick format. And you also got to make sure it's, well, depending on what it is. If you're doing it on the 360, this ain't going to work. This is not going to work because you can't just plug it like a DLC or anything like that onto a USB and expect to play it. It's not going to work. That's not how the game's coded. That's not how the checks are on the hypervisor. So, if you're using Xenia on the Xbox, or you're just playing Xenia on the computer, NTFS. Just make sure it's that file size, or that, yeah, the file system. Come on here, create the folder called content with a capital C, and then launch Horizon. And now that it's launched, it's right here. And no, we did not create it because we never injected any game into it. So if we go and grab a game that we want, for example, I'm just going to go to something random. Whatever this is, just drag and drop. This is Moondiver. We'll save that to the device. And it will save it. And if this doesn't work, then you're doing something wrong. The tutorial does work. Clearly, it works. I'm doing it. I've done it multiple times. I've reinstalled Windows. It's something you're doing. Okay, it's as blunt as I can be about it. There's nothing wrong with what I'm doing. It's just you might not be doing it right. Face the facts. You're probably not doing it right. Just follow the tutorial and it'll work. As you see, it created the folder, it injected the file. Everything's here. So, thank you all for tuning into this tutorial. If you have any issues, let me know. I mean, I'll try and help you figure out what's going on, but and this, I mean, there's not really much to go wrong here. There's not, other than you mistyping something. But I don't know. It's whatever. So, thank you all for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next tutorial.